I will look into it. Yeah. So last time we were doing the chapter factorization. Okay. So from the chapter factorization, first of all, now I would like to ask some questions from both of you, right? Because we have had so many classes so far, but I'm not sure like uh, if you guys have memorized the concepts of the chapter or not. ठीक है ना? So कुछ questions मैं पूछूंगा आपसे from the chapter factorization. Then we will continue with the remaining exercise in this chapter because 14.4 is remaining to be discussed. Okay. So first of all, Ahmed, starting from you to tell me, like generally natural numbers की हम factorization करते हैं, right? But when we do factorization of an algebraic expression, yeah, for example, if you were to have an algebraic expression, for example, 8x square plus 9, how do you write the factors of this algebraic expression?
Sir, we would
Let's change the value. Let's change the value. Let's say I am taking 80. 8x square plus 80. ठीक है, ये given एक algebraic expression है. So you have to tell me its factorization. Yes, this is a very basic thing. We did discuss that in the class.
Yes, sir.
Your Moaz, you would like to explain to me?
Yes, sir.
In the chapter factorization, we have discussed several methods of factorization. Like एक method था common factor लेकर हम factorization करते हैं.
Yes, sir.
Right. So here we would see which is common in between these two. क्या common है? Right now.
Yes. Yes, sir.
So guys, you can write it as 8 times x. Obviously, आप ऐसा लिख सकते हैं इसे. And 80, can I write it like this, Ahmed? 8 times 10. So
Sir,
what is
for 8x square, we can write 2 into 4.
like that also we can write. Okay now, but it would be the same thing. For example, 8x square है plus 80 है. So we can write it as 2 times 4 and okay now then x times x, and we can write this one like this, 2 times 4 times 10. Yeah. Still you would be getting the same same factors as common between the two. तब भी आपको same common मिलेगा. For example, obviously we can see that 8 is common between the two here. Right? ना दोनों में 8 common है. Is there anything else common? No. So we would write 8 here. And then write whatever is left. X times x, that is x squared is left. And then this 10 is left. Right, Ahmed? Moaz?
Yes, sir.
Here also you will find like 2 and 4 is common. 2 and 4 is common. So it's the same thing. Basically, it's 8. Huh? So that was one of the method we did discuss now. Common factors के help से हम find कर सकते हैं. Then factorization can be done by regrouping the terms also. Regrouping का क्या मतलब है? For example, if you have an an algebraic expression like this, 3x square plus 2x plus 12x plus 8, हमें इसकी factorization करनी है. Yeah, factorization, you guys know what basically factorization basically means. Moz, would you like to define what do we mean by factorization?
Yes, sir.
What do we basically mean by factorization?
Sir, means factorizing a number.
Okay. In terms of its factors.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and the product of the factor basically gives you back the given expression.
Yes, sir.
Right? ना ये हमारे पास मिला है factors. If I were to solve it further, I will get back 8x square plus 80. Right? No, इसे solve करने पर मुझे वापस 8x square plus 80 मिलेगा. Right, Ahmed? Okay, now there was one more method I had told you guys. That was the regrouping method. So solve this one also. How would we solve this one quickly? Yeah. quickly solve this one. Okay, now these are the things we have already discussed, but I thought have you guys but I thought let's check whether you guys remember that or not.
So is it 3x square plus 14x plus 8?
No, we have to factorize it now. आपने उसे simplify कर दिया. Okay ना, Ahmed,
Oh,
we have to factorize it, not simplify it.
yes, sir.
So first of all, मैंने कहा आपको regrouping करनी है. Regrouping यानी कि I will put the like terms together. ठीक है, like terms को मैं एक साथ रखूंगा, या फिर what I can do ना, I will see कि मैं किस order में regrouping करूं यहाँ पर, so that I will be able to solve it. For example, you see, let's put 3x square and 2x under the bracket. Okay, and let's put 12x and 8 under the bracket. So we have made two groups here. All right. Now see what is common between 3x square and 2x. What is common between the two? Yes, both of you can tell this to me.
Yes, sir.
Between 3x square and 2x, what is it that is common?
Sir, x.
X is common, right, Ahmed? So we will take x out. So now you are left with only 3x now. And then 2 is left here, right?
Yes, sir.
And then in 12x and 8, what is common? In 12x and 8, you can check like this also. If you are having a difficulty, you can check it like this. Like, can I write it like this? 2 times 2 times 3 times x. Huh?
Yes, sir.
And this can be written as 2 times 2 times 2. Right now? So clearly I can see that 4 is common here. 4 common is
Hmm.
So I will take 4 outside. So thereby what is remaining in the bracket now? In the bracket, what is left now? Yeah, come on, tell this to me.
Sir, for 12 and 3, and for 8, it is 2.
Well, it is 2 and it is 3x here, right? Now this is
3x.
x.
Yes, sir.
Now we can see that we clearly are having. Now look at this expression now. अब इसे हम इसमें हमें देखना है. So here I can clearly found that 3x plus 2 is common between the two terms. इस term में and इस term में 3x plus 2 common है, right now?
Yes,
So
sir.
again अब मैं क्या करूँगा? 3x plus 2 common लूँगा. ठीक है? So what will be left now? यहाँ पे मुझे x बचेगा, right? और यहाँ पर 4 बचता है. So let's just add them. So now this is the factors of the given algebraic expression. This is the question, and this is the basically answer to the given question.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
na? So I'm unable to understand like why you guys are still having some amount of difficulty in this. I think it is because of lack of practice in questions. Also, starting from Ahmed. Ahmed, you named two identities. Yes, you named two identities which we studied in the chapter. Did you guys join this class, this particular class late? While we when I started the chapter factorization, were you guys late in this chapter?
I was.
You were, no, Ahmed? Okay,
Yes,
okay.
sir.
That's why I thought like why you are having difficulty. Was you were on time? You did join the this
Yes, sir.
chapter on
First
time, no?
class I was there. In middle I was not there.
Okay, okay. But still I have no, like sometimes I have repeated the identities.
Yes,
So first you guys try, or later, and then later on I will tell you.
okay,
Yeah.
sir.
You guys remember any of the identities?
So is a square plus b square plus
Mm-hmm.
2ab identity?
Very good, very good. And
And
that is actually a plus b whole square है ये, right ना?
yes,
जिसकी expansion आपने मुझे अभी भी बताई, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Good.
and
Hmm.
a square minus b square minus 2ab.
A square minus B square minus 2AB. No, it's like this. A minus B whole square हमारे पास होता है A square minus 2AB plus B square. Okay ना? And Moz, do you remember any identities? Yeah, Moz, you remember any other identities?
Yes, sir. One.
There's one more.
A square minus B square.
Very good. Square minus B square. That is
A plus B, then A minus B.
then A minus B. Very good. Right now.
Yes, sir.
So these are the three main identities which you guys will be using in the chapter. Okay ना, ये बहुत ही important identity है. Try to memorize that. Okay. Now moving on. Hope you guys don't have any problem in the multiplication and the division part. How we were doing the multiplication and division of the algebraic expression. It is very simple thing. Okay. Exercise 14.3, we did discuss some questions from this exercise. All right now. So we would still be discussing some more questions. Okay. So question number, first of all, also do tell me one more thing, like division part is clear now. How do we basically divide the algebraic expressions? कैसे division हम करते हैं? Yeah. Everyone remember that now?
Yes,
See,
sir.
basic. Good. So basically the thing is now, for example, you have a question like 28x raised to the exponent 4. You divide it with, let's say, 7x raised to the power 2 to the exponent 2. That should give you what? What should be the answer? Both of you have to answer this. I am dividing here. Okay, that should give me what? सबसे पहले हम कोफिशिएंट को कैंसिल करेंगे, राइट ना? सो कोफिशिएंट क्या है यहाँ पर अहमद?
Yes, sir. I 28 and 7.
28 and 7, very good.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so Moaz, we will cancel them now.
Yes, sir.
7
One
times
sir.
4, 28. Right
4
now,
upon 1.
so 4 raised to the 4x raised to the exponent 4 upon x square है. अभी हम क्या करना चाहिए?
Sir, we can divide the variables.
We can divide the variables. We can divide them as well. Okay, for that manner, first of all, आप क्या कर सकते हैं ना? Like in the exponent, you guys would remember. Moaz, you would like to say something here? Any idea
Yes,
what
sir.
we should do now? आगे हमें क्या करना चाहिए? Any idea?
Sir.
You guys remember? X raised to the m divided by x raised to the exponent n. Yeah?
Sir, exponents and power law.
Yeah, exactly. That law will apply here. यहाँ
Okay,
पर
sir.
हमने देखा कि बेस सेम है ना? Yes, अहमद?
Yes, sir.
बेस इज सेम x and x. जब बेस सेम होता है एंड गिवन नंबर हमारा डिवीजन में होता है, सो देन बेसिकली एक्सपोनेंट्स हम सब्सट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं, राइट ना?
Yes, sir.
सो दिस बिकम्स x raised to the exponent m minus n. So same thing you would be doing here. X raised to the exponent 4 minus 2. That gives you 4x square. Is that clear to both of you?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
It is clear now? Okay, solve few questions then.
Okay, sir.
I will be assigning the questions. So for Moaz, you will be solving this question. 12a raised to the exponent 6b cube divided by 6a cube b cube. Ahmed, you solve this question. Let's take it to be 35x cube y cube z square divided 7. Let's take it to be 77 x square y raised to the exponent 4 Z cube. Yeah, solve this one, both of you.
Did we have to factorize or simplify?
Yes.
We have to factorize it.
Basically, you have to divide it. No need to factorize it now. Basically, you have to carry out division here. Okay now. There are the two ways to divide it. For example, ये जो question this question here, look over here. You could have written 4x raised to the exponent of 4 like this. 4 multiplied x multiplied x. Like this you could have written it now. हाँ,
Yes,
यहाँ
sir.
पर basically हमने क्या किया ना, इस
But
term के factors लिखे थे हमने.
so we can also subtract the squares in
Exactly.
the way and exponents.
Exactly. That can also be done here. Right now.
Yes.
And in fact, the thing is that since we are studying factorization right now, अभी हम factorization पढ़ रहे हैं ना, हाँ?
Yes, sir.
So thereby we should not be using the law of exponent here, right now. ये आप like खुद से कर सकते हैं, right? But in examination, it would be better to use this method. For exam, you would use this method. Understanding why? हम ऐसे क्यों कर रहे हैं? क्योंकि we are studying the chapter factorization. So we would be writing the factors of the term. Then we would be canceling them like this. X cancel, x cancel, so 4x squared is left. Why we won't be using this method? Because this method is for the chapter exponents, powers and exponents. Getting it, both of you know why I'm telling this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So start solving the assigned questions. Yes, anyone of you done?
Yes, sir. Almost finishing.
Okay, okay.
Sir, I finished that 12A6 and first question. I should do the 35x3 that also.
No, that one Ahmed will be doing. Okay, what answer you got for the first one?
Sir, I got 2 A cube B.
Okay, why you would be getting B also? See,
Because sir, I subtracted 3 and 3.
that will basically be 0 now. 3 minus 3, that will be 0. Huh?
Yes, sir.
So then finally it will be 1 actually. See, or and also I did told you like you have to basically factorize it. हमें
Yes,
division
sir.
करना है. right? Now we can use the law of exponents here also, right? But the right
Hmm.
method would be to factorize them first. हम factorize
Yes.
करेंगे, so we can write it like this: 2 times 6 times, okay now, so like this we
Yes.
can write, and 6 times a into a. Yeah, so here you can clearly see that these three b's will be getting cancelled by these three b, right? Three a's are
Yes, sir.
cancelled by these three a's. Six
Hmm.
six cancel, so you are left with 2 times a times a times a, that is 2a
Hmm.
cube, right? Now
Yes, sir.
हाँ, so it would be better to solve using this method. ठीक है, एग्जाम में भी आप ऐसे ही सॉल्व करेंगे when the question is given to from the factorization chapter. Yeah, Ahmed,
Okay.
done?
Yes, sir, I'm getting minus 42 x, y and z.
Okay, your answer is what? Minus.
Minus minus 42
Hmm.
x,
Okay,
y and z.
y and z.
Yes, sir.
Okay, first of all, here you need to look here. Okay, we are required to divide it. Second thing here is that why there will be a minus sign over here? Huh? The two terms are positive here. See, okay, this one. The two terms are positive here. No? 35x cube y cube z square, and that is 77x square y raised to the exponent 4 and z cube. These are in division. So why the minus sign would come here? Yeah, Ahmed,
Um,
ये minus sign कहाँ से लाया आपने?
I
Mhm.
subtract 35 to 77, sir.
Why you would be subtracting it? These two terms are in division with each other. Look over here. दोनों ही terms आपस में division में है. हाँ? See over here. Their two terms are here in division with each other. Subtraction जब हम करते हैं, so there thereby exponents are subtracted now. जब आप subtraction करते हैं exponents में, so thereby the 3 and these two, they will be getting subtracted with each other. Not the coefficients. Getting it, Moaz, Ahmed? So you can
Yes, sir.
write it like this: 7 times 5, okay, times x times x times x. Then again, y will be written 3 times, then z 2 times. 77, can I write it like this? Yeah, 7 times 11, x times x. Then y will be multiplied 4 times, and then z will be multiplied. I'm writing over here 3 times. Yeah, this is the way you are required to solve this. So simply you can cancel the 7. Okay, now count the number of x. 2x are here. So let's cancel 2x over here. 4 y's are here. Okay, 3. You will take only 3. 3 y's and 3 y's over here. Let's cancel them. 2z over here, 2z over here. Now look at what we are left with. In the numerator, you are left with 5 now. हमारे पास numerator में क्या बचा है अभी? 5 है, x है, right? And nothing else. Right, Moaz, Ahmed? So you will write 5x over here. Now in the denominator, you are left with 11 here, this y and this z. Yeah. So this is basically 11 y z. You guys got this or not? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Ahmed,
Yes,
is
sir.
that clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the manner you are required to proceed while you are solving such questions.
Yes, sir.
So this was quite a simple question. Now we would be taking some more interesting questions from exercise 14.3. So I still think you guys should start solving question from question number 2 then. I was hoping to solve some more questions like question number 4 and 5 में solve करना चाह रहा था, but see question number 2. Also, Moaz, I think we have did this question previously also, right now.
Which one, sir?
Question number 2, we did took some question from this exercise.
Yes, sir. We took.
Okay. but still I'm not sure. See, question number 5. Okay, who would like to solve this one? And question number 4. You guys can pick yourself. You, Ahmed?
Sir, I'll solve
Hmm.
fourth.
Okay. So Moaz, you solve question number 5.
Okay, sir.
On a daily basis, honestly tell me, like you guys are practicing how many questions in from mathematics? Yeah,
Sir, I'm finishing my school chapter,
okay.
exponents and powers.
Exponents and powers. Okay.
Yes,
Okay. So in total, including the school work and including the tuition work, how many questions you guys are practicing on a daily basis? Both of you. Mm-hmm.
around 10 to 10 to 12.
10 to 12. What about you, Moaz?
Sir, 3 or 4.
No, this won't do. See, basically in mathematics, right now you guys are in class 8. So you need to at least solve 20 plus questions on a daily basis.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now at least 20 plus questions you guys should be solving on a daily basis.
Yes.
Yeah. When you now after a few months now you guys are going to be in class 9, and thereby if you don't practice like 40 to 50 questions daily, then you won't be able to excel in maths. Huh? This is a
Yes.
fact. The more you practice, only then you will be able to perform good. Yeah. So
Yes, sir.
most that is not good. Just 3 or 4 questions. No. Okay,
Okay.
now. So like this, एक side से like मैं chapter complete हो जाएगा. The chapters are getting completed, but if you guys are not practicing enough questions, then it's simply waste. Huh? Okay.
Yes.
Solve the given questions. एक क्वेश्चन में सॉल्व कर दे रहा हूँ पहले. ठीक है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड में सॉल्व करता हूँ. ठीक है. 3y raised to the exponent 8 minus 4y raised to the exponent 6 plus 5y raised to the exponent 4 है ये. हमें डिवाइड करना है y raised to the exponent 4 से, राइट. सो सिंपली मैं इसे y raised to the exponent 4 लिखूंगा. ओके ना. Now what you will do, you will write each of the terms like this. 3y 8, 3y raised to the exponent 8 upon y raised to the exponent 4 minus 4y raised to the exponent 6 upon y raised to the exponent 4 plus 5y raised to the exponent 4 upon y raised to the exponent 4. Getting it now?
Yes, sir.
Right? Now you would be factorizing the terms. आप इसे factorize करेंगे. Break it into its factors. Then you will cancel out the like terms in the numerator and denominator. Okay, na? So like this, start solving the given questions. By the way, the question I was solving, what would be the answer for this one? This would be, or in mind also, you can simply calculate like there are 8y's, there are 4y's now. Huh? So from 8y's over here, there are 8y's over here. So 4y's I will take out from this. So I'm left with only 4y's here, right now. Y raised to the exponent 4 basically means what? There are 4y's now. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All of them are in multiplication with each other. Same thing I can say for here also. I would take 2y's from here now. Now it is 4y square. And you y raised to the exponent 4, and this one will be getting cancelled. Right now. Okay.
says 1 upon 2 x square plus x square plus 3 upon 2.
Okay.
3
For
plus
question
x
number 4,
4.
you will, what answer you are getting?
1 upon 2 x square plus x square plus 3.
1 upon 2 x square plus
1 upon 2 x square plus x square plus 3.
plus 3. Okay,
Yes,
okay,
sir.
let's check that. Hmm. Okay, look over here. There's a slight mistake in this one. Okay, now Ahmed, look carefully. So this is x cube plus 2x square plus 3x. Say हमने 2x से divide किया. Moz, you also look over here for a moment. Look over this. Look at
Okay,
this
sir.
question. So it is x cube upon 2x plus 2x square upon 2x plus 3x upon 2x, right? So see, I can simply cut this x and x over here. Take it now over here. Look at this. I'm writing over here. मैं यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूँ, okay? So I can write it like this now, and I can write it like this. So this x and this x gets cancelled. So this is x square by 2, or basically half x square. So this is correct. That is correct. Now 2x square upon 2x. So 2 and 2 will be getting cancelled. Now it is x square upon x. So x square upon x, look over here, x square upon x basically means x times x upon x. So x getting cancelled. So you should be left with only x over here. Getting it, Ahmed? Where you have done mistake? Ahmed?
Yes,
This
sir.
should be only x.
Oh,
Okay, now why? Because here when we solve it, no, when we solve it further, we got to see like only x was remaining. Yes, Moz? And now here I am
Yes,
left with
sir.
3 upon 2 now. So आपने denominator miss कर दिया था, okay? So that is 3 upon 2. Got this? Okay, now you, Moz, done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what value you are getting?
Mm. Sir, I got a q cube minus p6 into q cube.
No, no. That should be that should be q cube minus p cube. That should be the required answer. Q cube minus p cube. Let me tell you how.
Yes, sir.
P cube, q cube minus p raised to the exponent. Okay, this is 6 over here. Okay, I have directly written over here. Okay, ना मैंने directly यहाँ पे लिख दिया q cube here.
Yes, sir.
P cube, q cube. I have directly written over here. So now what I can simply see that p cube getting cancelled, right? Q cube getting cancelled. So now I am left with q raised to the exponent 6 upon q raised to the exponent 3, and p raised to the exponent 6 upon p cube, right? So now it becomes very simple. Now this can be after cancelling out the like factors, you would found that this is q cube minus p cube now. Yeah, so it is not that much difficult. Okay now.
Sir,
Mm-hmm.
in the question there are only three terms. You wrote four.
No, no, look over here.
Yes,
I have not written 4 terms. See, ये
yes,
earlier पहले क्या था ना? This was this thing over here. Look, this is p cube q6 minus p raised to the exponent 6 q cube divided by p cube q cube divided by
yes,
this.
sir.
So it would be written like this now. P cube
Yes, sir.
q cube. Now later on I can write it like this or not? Huh? Can I write
Yes.
it like this or not? Okay, if you got it only, then say yes. Yeah.
Mm.
Just like we were writing like 5 minus 1 upon 2. Can you not write it like this? 5 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So same thing is being done over here.
Okay, sir. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir.
look at question number 3. Question number 3. Without even lifting your pen, you guys tell me what would be the answer of question number 1 without doing anything on a paper. What should be the answer for this one? Quickly tell me. Try to process the answer in your mind. Like what I would do now, I would be dividing 10x by 5, and 25 will also be divided by 5. So that should give me what? Yes. You should be able to process it in mind like this is like this. ये कुछ इस तरीके से है. Yeah. So that should give you what?
Sir, 3.
What?
3.
Why you would be getting 3 here?
Sir, because 10 minus 25 is 15. So divided by 5 is 3.
There is an x over here also. Huh?
Oh,
This is 10x and this is 25.
yes, sir.
See, Ahmed, what value you would be getting? Yeah, Ahmed, you there or not?
I am.
Yeah, what should be the answer of this one? Right now we are doing question number 1 of 3.
Oh,
There's nothing new in this question.
yes, sir.
So basically 2 times 5, 5 times 5 now. So 5x minus 5 हमारे पास मिला है अभी. Yeah. Okay. Further I can write it like 5 times x minus 1 भी लिख सकता हूँ मैं. क्यों? क्योंकि 5 मैंने कॉमन लिया है अभी यहाँ पर. Yeah, both of them has 5 common. Yeah. I think you guys are still having difficulty in this. Yeah. So that's why no. You need to practice so many questions.
Then
Okay, no?
x is 5 upon, then we'll cancel out 5 to 25, which will be 10x minus 5.
Okay, by the way, I missed one thing over here. This was not actually 5. यहाँ पे मैंने 2 लिख दिया था, ठीक है? So that would be 2x actually. The answer should be 2x minus 5. Okay, na? Let's solve few more questions. For the remaining time, let's solve few more questions. Question number 2, take this one. So that is 10x minus 25 upon 2x minus 5. Yeah. So how do we divide this question now? Might look difficult, but it is very easy. Yeah. It is actually very easy. See, in the numerator over here, in this term, what is common between 10x and 25? क्या common है? Try to visualize it in your mind. Like in 10x and 25, what is common? Ahmed, Moaz?
5, sir.
5 is common, no? Very good. So we would take 5 common. So what is left here? 2x बचा हमारे पास and
Yes,
minus
sir.
5. Right now, जब भी आप common लेते हैं, if you are ever in doubt now, what you need to do, simply divide the given terms with what you are taking common. आपने 5 common लिया है, so you'd be dividing 10x with 5. You'll be dividing 25 with 5. So now you'll be getting your answer. So that is 2x and 5 and whatever is the sign of operation over here. That is 2x minus 5 upon 2x minus 5. Right? So now what should I do now further? We can clearly see that 2x minus 5 is there on numerator and denominator also.
Yes, sir.
So we would simply cancel it. Yeah.
Oh,
As simple as that.
yes, sir.
Both of you got this or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what you guys would be doing, complete exercise 14.3. Complete all the remaining questions from 3, 4 and 5. Okay, no? Okay, do one thing,
Exercise 3 to
leave the
5.
question number 5. Yes?
Exercise 3 and
No. From this exercise 14.3, you have to solve questions numbers actually. Question number 3 and 4. Okay?
okay.
Attempt to solve question number 5 also, but if you will be having difficulty, then I will be explaining that in class. Okay?
Okay, sir.
But I want all these questions done by you guys. Okay, now?
Okay, sir.
Also, from your usual study routine, at least try to denote like 30 to 50 minutes for mathematics only.
Yes, sir.
All right now.
Mm.
And increase the number of questions you guys are practicing on a daily basis.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay then. So that's it for today. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, sir.
Yeah.